Hey, today I'll show you the easiest way how to add a drop shadow in Adobe Photoshop. So what you have to do, just select the item on which you'd like to add some drop shadow. As an example, I want to add some drop shadow here on this Minecraft grass block on the margin. So what you have to do, as I said, just select the item or the layers on which you want to add a drop shadow. Then you'll find here a menu, press on it and select drop shadow, and another menu will pop up. Let's see how can we play with this drop shadow. Here you'll have the opacity, basically the intensity of the drop shadow. Here is the distance of the shadow itself. Usually I left it on 0. Here is the spread, and this is how it looks when you lower it. And here is the size of the shadow itself, okay? So usually what I do, I will put the size to 2, maybe 1, and the spread maybe to 100%. Or you can do the opposite. You can increase a tiny bit the size of the shadow and decrease the spread. Very nice. So this is how to add a nice drop shadow in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.